X-ray crystallography is a scientific technique used to determine the three-dimensional structure of biological molecules, especially proteins and DNA, by studying how X-rays are scattered, diffracted, when they pass through a crystal of the molecule. How does it work? The basic process is purification, 2 crystallization, 3 X-ray exposure, 4 diffraction pattern, 5 computer analysis, 3D structure. 1. Crystallization. The biological molecule, such as a protein, is purified and made into a crystal. In a crystal, molecules are arranged in a regular, repeating pattern. 2. X-rays are directed at the crystal. A narrow beam of X-rays is passed through the crystal. 3. Diffraction occurs. The atoms in the crystal cause the X-rays to diffract in different directions. This produces a characteristic pattern of spots called an X-ray diffraction pattern. 4. The pattern is analyzed. Scientists use mathematical calculations and computers to analyze the positions and intensities of the spots. 5. 3D structure is determined. The information is used to construct an electron-density map from which scientists can determine the positions of atoms and build the molecule's 3D structure.
Importance of X-ray crystallography in biology. X-ray crystallography has helped scientists understand the structures of important biological molecules, including DNA, proteins, enzymes, viruses, and other biological complexes. Understanding molecular structure helps explain how molecules function and can assist in drug development. Easy example. Think of shining a flashlight through a special crystal. You don't directly see the atoms, but the pattern produced by the light gives information about how the atoms are arranged. Similarly, crystal plus X-rays equals diffraction pattern equals computer analysis equals molecular structure. Exam definition. X-ray crystallography is a technique used to determine the three-dimensional structure of molecules by analyzing the diffraction pattern produced when X-rays pass through their crystals. In one line, X-ray crystallography tells us how atoms are arranged inside a biological molecule. For more such conceptual lectures, like, subscribe, and share our channel, Diamond Rocks Biology.